Jai Hind, my dear student. Today I am going to teach you about Google Apps. Okay, so after completing this video, you will be able to identify various types of Google Apps. You will understand Android OS and its type. You will understand the various Google devices and their uses. Okay, so everyone has used the Google, right? Okay, so Google आपने किस लिए यूज़ किया है बताओ. ओके, सो गूगल आपने सर्चिंग के लिए यूज़ किया है, राइट. बहुत सारे कामों के लिए आप गूगल को यूज़ करते हो, राइट. सो गूगल that is www.google.com. It is an American public corporation specializing in internet related services and products. Google began as a research project in January 1996 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two PhD students at Stanford University. Okay, so as per the project, one could zoom in close enough to read the license plates on cars on streets road. Okay, so today Google is mainly used as a search engine, and this probably remains one of the most visible aspects of Google on the web. Okay, so but Google is much more than a search engine. It has developed a number of web-based applications that are collectively known as Google Apps. Okay, so what are Google Apps? There are many applications of Google like Google Search, Google Account, Gmail, Google Docs and etc. Okay, so all the applications and services of Google are collectively called Google Apps. Okay, so Gmail is the product of Google app which is used to receive emails. To gain access to all the Google service, you must set up a Gmail account. Okay, so Gmail is your point of entry to Google Apps. You can use any Google Apps by using Gmail user ID and password. Okay, my dear student. So what is cloud computing? Okay, so cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet rather than in the hard drive of your computer. Okay, so Google Apps are completely based on cloud computing. Once you are using Google Apps, you will enjoy the ability to access your files and software from anywhere you have access to the web and cloud computing. Okay, so in traditional computing, when you want to start a new application software, you need to install it in your computer before using it. To use application that is run on the cloud, all that is needed to be done is to log in with your username and password, and you will customize it and start using it. Okay, so for this you need a web browser and internet connection. Okay, my dear student. So surfing and research. So for surfing and research, you need Google Chrome. Okay, so what is Google Chrome? It is a full featured web browser software designed by Google. A web browser is a software application that people use in order to view web pages on the internet. It loads very fast and runs multiple pages. Okay, so Google Apps run particularly well in this browser. Like Chrome is a free open source browser and can be downloaded online at the web address जैसे www.google.com Chrome. Okay, so next is Google Maps. So Google Maps is a web mapping service developed by Google. It enables you to access up-to-date maps just by searching on an address or place of interest, like airport, hotel or any historical sites. Okay, so while going somewhere, Google Maps provide directions when a user enter a starting and destination point. Okay, so it can be accessed using GPS. So what does GPS means? Global positioning system, which is used to determine the correct location of a user, eliminating the need for the user to enter the starting point and enabling the website to recommend nearby places of interest. Okay, so it shows a real-time GPS navigation, traffic, transits and detail about millions of places. Okay, my dear students. So next is Google Translate. So what is Google Translate? So Google Translate is a free online language translation service which instantly translates text into other languages. Okay, it support languages like English, Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, Danish, Dutch, French, Korean. Okay, Google Translate app for mobile instantly and translate printed text visually. Okay, just open the app, click on the camera and point it at the text you need to translate. A street sign, ingredient list, instruction manual, you will see the text transferring live on your screen into the languages you choose. Okay, my dear student. So next is Google search engine. Okay, so Google search engine, the internet is a worldwide resource of information, as you all know. The primary reason why people use the internet is to search for specific information, like including text, picture, music and video. Okay, so Google is well known for its search engine, which is a major factor of the company's success. It has a fast, relevant and largest single catalog of web pages available today. It offers images, maps and news and their features for locating photos, geographic direction and news headlines. Okay, next is Google Assistant. So the Google Assistant is a virtual assistant developed by Google that is primarily available on mobile and smartphone home devices. Okay, so by using Android devices, a user can quickly access Google Assistant by pressing and holding down home button or by simply saying okay Google. Okay, so with the Google Assistant you can make a quick call, send text messages, set reminders, take a selfie, set calendar events, play music, navigate places, get updates on weather information and the latest news. Okay, so mainly Google Assistants everyone uses today. Okay, next is Google Earth. So Google Earth is an interactive mapping program that covers the vast area of the earth. Google Earth is generally considered to be remarkably accurate and extremely detailed. Some major cities have been remarkably detailed image on Earth, Google Earth, that one can zoom in close enough to read even the number plates on cars on the street. Okay, like okay, so next is staying in touch. So in order to stay with your friends, colleagues, people around the world, there are various apps that are available like Gmail. So Gmail is a web-based email application software by Google. You can use Gmail to create, send, receive, forward, print and delete email messages. Initially Gmail service was available for Google employees only, but Gmail was offered to the public in 2004 as an invitation only service. Okay, since then it has become one of the most popular free email services with a huge storage capacity. Gmail is available as desktop app, web app and mobile app. Okay, Google Blogger. So Blogger is a blog publishing service by Google by which you can publish your ideas, opinions and stories online. With millions of blogs available on the internet, you can read what others have published. Okay, so Blogger consists of a frequently updated collection of entries. Most blogs focus on a particular topic or subject area, right? So majority of blogs, the subject is the person writing the blog and the entries that appears on a blog are called post, and the act of publishing a blog is called posting. Okay, and a single person who maintains many blog is known as blogger. Okay, my dear students, next is Google Duo. So Google Duo is a high quality video calling app. It is simple and reliable and works on both iOS and Android phones. Okay, so in order to organize your steps, the services that are available on the Google are Google Calendar. So Google Calendar is a time management app created by Google. So using calendar, you can effectively keep track of all appointments, receive notification, set reminders, and schedule future repeating events. Okay, so you can user can view Google Calendar in different types of setup like month, week, and day view. Most of your event from Gmail like flight schedule, hotel confirmation, concert time, restaurant reservation, and that are more are added to your calendar automatically. Okay, and next is Google Photos. So Google Photos is a photo sharing and storage app from Google. It is just like your new photo gallery. Okay, so when you click photos or shoot videos from your smartphones, those photos and videos get backed up, okay, and organized automatically, so you can find and share them faster, and your phone space never gets used. Okay, so it is very reliable to use Google Photos. Okay, so working smartly, if you want to work smartly, so many features are available in the Google, like Google Docs editor. Okay, so Google Docs editor is an online editor suite in which you can create, edit, and share three types of documents like documents, spreadsheet, and presentation. Okay, so the document component of Google Docs editor allow you to create full features document by adding text and format it. Okay, and the spreadsheet component of Google Docs editor allow you to do basic manipulations of spreadsheets, adding charts and using formulas. And the presentation components of Google Docs editor enables you to create professional looking presentation. Okay, so when you want to use the editor, please use it. Okay, when you want to use the want to make a presentation, then please use the Google Docs editor. Okay, next is Google Classroom. Okay, so Google Classroom is a free online educational tool from Google for teachers and students. Teacher can create an online classroom, invite student to the class, create and distribute assignment, and even track their progress. Okay, so in this tool, student and teacher can also have conversation about the assignment. So in this, school must register for a free Google for Education account to use Classroom. Okay, so Google Classroom provides many features to teachers and students who have Google Classroom account. Okay, so next is Google Drive. So Google Drive is an online storage that provides you 15 GB of free Google online storage, in which you can keep files, folders, backups, and everything important. User can upgrade their free 15 GB account through a paid subscription plan to get additional storage. Okay, so Google Drive is used by millions of people to store their files, and those files can be accessed from any smartphones, tablets, or computer. Whenever you go, you can access your stored document. Next, so for watching, listening, and playing media, the services that Google provides is Google YouTube. Okay, so YouTube is the most popular video sharing services on the web. This service was created by three former PayPal employees like Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Javed Karim in February 2005. In November 2006, YouTube was bought by Google. Okay, so YouTube offers tens of millions of videos as movies, trailers, commercial clips from TV shows, and much more. So you use the YouTube site to watch video clips. So when you click on any clip, YouTube streams the video to your computer or other mobile device. Okay, so if you have a digital movie or animation that you would like to share with the world, you can upload the file to YouTube. To upload videos, you need to create a free YouTube account or sign in with your Google account. Okay, so if you haven't, so you can log in it and use the YouTube features. Okay, next is Google Play. So Google Play is a store of apps, applications, songs, books, movie, games, and other content for Android powered smartphones, tablets, and other devices. So it is a huge virtual store and offers a lot of content to its users, either free or off charge or at a cost. Okay, so application and games can be downloaded directly to an Android based devices through Play Store. So Google Play offers an online music store and has the world's largest ebook store with over 5 million titles. Okay, so there are thousands of movies and television shows available on Google Play Movies and TV. Okay, Then Google devices. So there are various Google devices like Google Pixel. So Google Pixel is an Android smartphone designed and marked by Google. It includes all your favorite Google apps to bring you a fast, seamless and easy to use experience. Okay, so similar to Nexus devices, it receives Android updated directly from Google. Okay, so all Pixel smartphones include very large storage for all your data, photos and videos. So Pixel is the first phone with the built-in Google Assistant. Okay, so next is Google Glass. Okay, so Google Glass is a wearable, voice controlled Android device which looks like a pair of eyeglasses. Okay, it enables the user to view information or take photos and videos that are projected to a miniature screen in the user's field of vision. Okay, so user controls the devices through voice commands or by touching controls on its frame. Okay, okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understand the Google and the devices. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and do comment. Jai Hind, my dear student.